Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can change your keyboard sounds on Opera GX. Now this is very simple and easy to do, so make sure you watch this tutorial right until the end so that you don't miss any steps. So the first thing you actually want to do is just go ahead and open up Opera GX. And once you have done that, it will look something like this and we are ready to start. So the first thing you want to do is go in the top right corner where there is those three lines and you'll find that next to your account. So go ahead and click on that and it will open up this easy setup menu. Now when you're on here, you just want to scroll down to the very bottom and we'll see this option that says go to full browser settings. So we just want to go ahead and click on that and this will open up a new tab with all of our settings. So what we want to do from here is to scroll down a little bit until we see this option here, which is browser sounds. Now, when we open this up, this will actually allow us to change our keyboard sounds on Opera GX. So if you click on that, it'll bring open this menu, and here we have a whole bunch of different sounds. So as you can see, this is the one for changing our keyboard sounds. This is for typing. So there is two options we can have. We can have set 1, and there's also set 2 as well. Now, although there's only 2 built into Opera GX, we can actually get more by clicking this Get More button up here. And this will bring open the GX store, and if we filter it by just keyboard sounds, we'll be able to look at all of these, and we'll be able to listen to these and see how we like it. So, as you can see, this one's more of a clicky keyboard, or if you go back, they have some different ones, such as Minecraft sounds and stuff like that. So you can go ahead and play around with them and see which one you like best. So that is exactly how you can change keyboard sounds on Opera GX. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please comment down below to say this video helped you out. Like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.